It's extremely rare to pass away from this, but nonetheless, holding in a sneeze just isn't worth gambling your life.
I will say, you know how you can sneeze out of your mouth or your nose? Sometimes you'll have a sneeze that's obviously one or the other. Have you ever had a sneeze that's like maybe a mouth sneeze, maybe a nose sneeze, and you're like, all right, I'm going to switch airways and sneeze out of my nose, and then you kind of half do it, and you just sneeze in your throat, and it's like, it makes that noise, and it hurts so fucking bad. Oh, that's the worst.